Hi there and welcome. Once again, we're back in FivePoint Valencia with a tour of the Lumin collection, a new neighborhood now under construction by Richmond American Homes. Lumin is located at the western end of Magic Mountain Parkway on the south side in a growing area of the community that also includes Wren, Solaire, Poppy, and Quinn. As construction continues, these neighborhoods will eventually come together to form one connected community. This video is presented by your local real estate team, Matt and Meray Gregory of the Gregory Real Estate Group. Like other neighborhoods in FivePoint Valencia, Lumin offers a low-maintenance lifestyle with thoughtfully designed common areas and drought-tolerant landscaping. Lumin features a collection of detached 2- and 3-story homes ranging from approximately 1,500 to 2,070 square feet. Floor plans offer 3 or 4 bedrooms, up to 3 bathrooms, a dedicated laundry room, and a 2-car garage. As you tour the model homes, you'll notice that each floor plan has its own unique layout. While most share open concept living spaces, contemporary kitchens, comfortable dining areas, and plenty of natural light. Depending on the plan, some homes also include a downstairs bedroom or study, while others feature a covered balcony. Residents will enjoy access to Confluence Park, along with the many trails, parks, and outdoor recreation found throughout FivePoint Valencia. There is also the future edition of Vantage Park, a new recreation area currently under construction. And yes, there are monthly HOA fees and an annual Melrose. If you'd like to learn more about Lumin, just click the link in the description. You'll find current home listings, neighborhood information, and additional video tours covering communities throughout all of Santa Clarita. And before visiting or registering with the builder, be sure to contact us first so we can represent you from the very beginning. Thanks for watching. If you're thinking about buying or selling a home in Santa Clarita, we're always happy to help. Bye for now.